I'm not making him cry.
Well, don't take pictures.
I'm not taking pictures of him.
What are you doing?
I'm recording him so he can see how silly he looks when he's acting like this. Oh, where's he going? Hi, monkey. Hi, monkey. Get him, Boots. Get him, Boots. Jake, where's Ewan? Where's Ewan? What are you doing? Are you crying or are you laughing? Are you crying or are you laughing? I don't even remember why you're crying. What are you crying for now? I forget.
Wants a granola bar.
Oh, right. He wants a granola bar. Thanks for reminding me, Cal.
Why did you just give him that?
Because Daddy's going to be home in about 2 minutes with dinner. And he's already had some of his popcorn. And because he's acting like this.
Then just put him in the bed.
Ewan? Where are you going? You gonna go climb into the bunny cage?
No.
Why don't you go climb into the bunny cage?
No.
Yeah. You can hide with the bunnies in their cage. Oh. Going this way? Oh.
Mom.
What? What? Where are you? Hi, Jake. Oh, you're a good boy. Oh, that's right, Jake. Get him kisses. Kisses. Jake. Kisses for Ewan. Oh, kissy, kissy. Good boy, Jake. Get him, Jake. Get him. Get him. Good boy. Oh, kisses. Kisses. Oh, so good, eh, Jake? Good boy, Jake. Good boy. Good boy. That's right. Get his ear. Get his ear. Oh, Jakey make you feel better. Jakey make you feel better. Oh, there's a good boy. Oh, Jakey giving you lots of kisses. Hey? Doesn't that make you feel better?
No.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah?
No.
Oh, good boy, Jake. Get him, Jake. Get him, Jake. That's right. You get him. Don't fall down the stairs. Oh, Jakey's gonna kiss ya. Num num num. Num num num. Oh, don't let me see your face. Come here, let me see that cute little face. Let me see that cute little face. Oh. Ow. There it is. There it is. There it is. Why are you laughing? You're not supposed to be laughing. You're supposed to be having a fit. Remember? You're supposed to be having a fit. All right, say goodbye and I'll leave you alone.
No.
Say goodbye and I'll leave you alone. Say goodbye and I'll leave you alone. Bye, Jake. Oh, you want to have a hard-boiled egg now? Okay, you can have an egg. I'll give you an egg. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.
I don't want to say bye.
Say I love you, Mommy. Say I love you, Mommy.
I want to say bye.
All right.